AI enthusiasts, get ready to buckle up because the developments in the world of AI this week have been absolutely mind-blowing. From gaming to language models, robotics to industry giants, we've got a whirlwind of announcements that will leave you in awe. So grab your favorite snack and let's dive right in. First up, Epic Games took things to a whole new level with their machine learning deformer on Unreal Engine 5. They showcase next-gen characters with jaw-dropping detail, including muscle, flesh, and even cloth simulations. It's a game-changer for the gaming industry. OpenAI has been on fire this week. ChatGPT Plus users are in for a treat with web browsing and beta plugins. From text to audio conversions to real-time data on stocks and crypto, they've got you covered. Plus, OpenAI is gearing up to release their first open-source language model to the public, bringing AI power to more developers and creators. And guess what? ChatGPT just got even better. OpenAI introduced a cool continue generating button, making longer responses a breeze. They also launched the official ChatGPT iOS app, complete with a speech-to-text feature. Who knew chatting with AI could be this fun and convenient? Secrets are unraveling at Amazon. Insider reports leaked that they're working on a secret AI project named Burnham, aiming to enhance the intelligence of their Astro robot. And that's not all. Amazon is also diving into the AI revolution by revolutionizing Amazon Search with an interactive conversational experience. Exciting times ahead, robotics enthusiasts, brace yourselves. A Japanese company has developed a mind-boggling system of spider-like robotic limbs that humans can fully control. It's like turning ourselves into cyborgs. Meanwhile, Sanctuary AI unveiled Phoenix, a humanoid robot designed for the workforce, equipped with human dexterity and the ability to lift up to 55 pounds. And don't forget Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus, making its grand entrance into the scene. AI and politics collided when OpenAI CEO Sam Altman testified before a Senate committee hearing, shedding light on the potential and challenges of artificial intelligence. He urged lawmakers to regulate artificial intelligence during a Senate panel hearing, describing the technology's current boom as a potential printing press moment, but one that required safeguards. Empowering patients with safe AI medical expertise is the goal of Hippocratic AI. They recently secured a whopping $50 million in seed funding, fueling their mission to provide accessible and aligned AI healthcare solutions. It's a game changer in the medical field. Time to talk automation. Zapier introduced exciting features for effortless workflow automation, from creating zaps with natural language input to generating code automatically based on your requirements. And guess what? Zoom is teaming up with Anthropic to incorporate the Claude chatbot into their services, enhancing the customer support experience. In a recent CNBC interview, Elon Musk made a bold claim, stating that he is the reason OpenAI exists. His vision and drive have played a significant role in shaping the AI landscape. Talk about a powerful influence. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is leaving no stone unturned in the AI realm. They're developing their own custom chip called the Meta Training and Inference Accelerator, designed to supercharge AI models. Prepare for a whole new level of computing power and efficiency. Dragan brings a fresh approach to controlling GANs, allowing precise control over generated objects' pose, shape, expression, and layout. It's an exciting breakthrough for artists and designers. And finally, while many companies are embracing AI, Apple seems to be taking a different path. According to the WSJ, they've banned the use of AI tools like ChatGPT due to concerns of potential data leaks. It's an interesting move in the ever-evolving AI landscape. And there you have it, folks. AI developments this week were nothing short of incredible. From gaming to robotics, language models to industry giants, the world of AI is advancing at an astonishing pace. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and breakthroughs. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of artificial intelligence.